Tesla's latest robot, Optimus Gen 2, might look like science fiction, but it's real and keeps getting better. This new humanoid robot, announced in December 2023, is part of Tesla's big plans to lead the future of robotics, just like it did with electric cars and energy. Optimus Gen 2 can walk, pick things up, and do tasks that are usually done by humans. It has better balance, uses its hands more naturally, and is faster than the first version. Tesla is trying to build robots that are affordable and useful in factories, offices, and even homes. Elon Musk said these robots might soon become more valuable than Tesla's electric cars or energy products. That's a bold statement, but if these robots can help in homes and factories, they could change how we live and work. Musk believes that Optimus could be the most important product Tesla has ever made. In this video, we'll look at what Optimus Gen 2 can do, how it's better than the earlier version, how Tesla built it using its AI and car tech, and what this could mean for the future. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 was shown for the first time during Tesla's AI Day events. It has improved a lot in less than 2 years. In the first version, shown in 2022, the robot walked slowly and looked very basic. Now, it can walk more smoothly, handle small items, and move its fingers with more control. The robot now weighs about 10 kilograms less, thanks to changes in the materials and design. The new hands have more sensors and can feel objects better. The feet are better at keeping balance, and the robot can now move its neck. It even has a faster walking speed, now reaching 5 miles per hour, which is close to how fast a person walks. Improvements in Optimus Gen 2 didn't happen by chance. Tesla used its self-driving AI tech and its powerful computer systems to train the robot to move and understand the world. Just like Tesla cars learn to drive using real-world data, the robot learns by seeing and copying human movements. Engineers also use Tesla's Dojo supercomputer to train Optimus, helping it understand how to walk, use tools, and pick up things. This mix of robotics and AI gives Optimus a big advantage over other robots being built today. Elon Musk has said many times that the real value of Tesla is in its AI. Now, this AI is not just for cars, but also for robots. Musk believes that Tesla's robots could eventually be used in homes, offices, factories, and even outside Earth. For example, they could help with housework, elderly care, or working in space. In Tesla's factory in Fremont, some early Optimus units are already doing small tasks like sorting parts. It's a test run, but it shows Tesla wants to use its robots in real life, not just in labs. Making a robot that looks and moves like a human is not easy. It needs strong but light parts, smart sensors, good cameras, and software that can react in real time. Optimus Gen 2 uses Tesla's custom actuators and motors, many of which were designed in-house. The robot's body includes 28 custom actuators and fully Tesla-designed electronics. Its power comes from a small battery in its chest, which can last for a whole day of light tasks. The robot also uses cameras like those in Tesla cars to understand what's around it. Tesla's big strength is that it builds everything together. Its AI, hardware, and software are all designed to work as one. For example, Tesla's full self-driving FSD tech, which helps cars understand roads, is also helping Optimus understand rooms and objects. The same team working on FSD is helping train Optimus to see, walk, and act safely. Because the robot runs on Tesla's AI platform, any improvements made for self-driving also help the robot. That means Optimus can improve quickly, just like Tesla's cars do with software updates. What makes Optimus really special is its ability to do jobs that humans find boring or hard. For example, it can fold clothes, pick up small tools, or walk. without falling. These might sound simple, but they are huge tasks for robots. Other companies, like Boston Dynamics, also make amazing robots, but they often use custom software and can't easily learn new tasks. Tesla's robot can learn by watching and get smarter with every update. It's made to be general purpose, not just for one job. Elon Musk has a big vision, a future where robots do most of the physical work. He says that with Optimus, labor could become optional and people could have more free time. He even talked about the idea of a universal basic income, UBI, where people get money just for living, because robots could do most of the jobs. That might sound like a dream, but if these robots become cheap and helpful, it could really change how society works. Optimus is also a smart move for Tesla's business. The robot could help Tesla build cars faster by working on the factory floor. Musk said that if each Tesla factory had 10,000 robots, it would double productivity. Right now, Tesla builds about 2 million cars a year. With robots, that number could rise without hiring more people. That would lower costs and increase profits. Also, selling the robot to other companies could bring in billions of dollars each year. But there are also big questions. Can the robot work safely around people? Will it need strong laws and rules? Can it really replace human jobs without causing problems in society? These are hard questions, and even Elon Musk admits it's early days. Tesla has to prove that the robot is useful and safe before selling it widely. Right now, it's being tested in Tesla's own factories to learn and improve. The price of Optimus is another mystery. Musk said it could cost less than $20,000, which is cheaper than many cars. That would make it one of the most affordable humanoid robots ever made. If it works well and is cheap, many people and companies might want to buy it. Imagine a robot at home, helping with cooking or lifting things, or in hospitals helping nurses. The market for this kind of robot could be huge. Tesla isn't the only one working on humanoid robots. Other companies like Figure AI, Agility Robotics, and Sanctuary AI are also building robots that walk and work like humans. Some of these companies have strong AI and good designs, but they don't have Tesla's scale or resources. Tesla can test its robots in its own factories, use its own AI chips, and train using huge amounts of real-world data. That gives Tesla a big head start. Many experts agree that robots are coming into our daily lives sooner than we think. In the next 5 to 10 years, we might see robots in homes, shops, and streets. Tesla's Optimus might be one of the first robots to go mainstream, just like the Model 3 was for electric cars. If that happens, it would prove that Tesla is more than a car company. It would become a leader in robotics and AI. 2.1 important thing to note is how fast Tesla is improving the robot. In just 1 year, it went from a walking demo to a robot that can fold clothes and do real work. If that speed continues, Optimus Gen 3 might arrive soon with even more skills. Musk said that one day, Tesla might sell millions of these robots, just like smartphones. That could make Tesla the most valuable company in the world. In conclusion, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 is not just a robot. It's a sign of what's coming next in technology. Built using Tesla's AI, car tech, and software power, it shows how robotics could change daily life. From helping in factories to working in homes, this robot could be as big a deal as the iPhone or Model S. Elon Musk's vision is bold, and Optimus is a big step toward that future. The world is watching closely, and the next few years will show if Tesla's robot dream becomes real.